People say I'm a noob in this game. Well, I'm a crewmate this time. I'm actually a bigger noob, to be honest, when I'm a crewmate. So, still, I'm gonna request everyone, please please give me tips. If anyone is new to this channel, subscribe right now. By pressing that red button. Obviously, people are not new to YouTube, man. Alright, so, whenever I'm the crewmate, man, the problem is I get killed every single time. Oxygen depleted. 37412. Hold up. Dead body reported. Hey. No, hold on. Can't say for sure. Some guy next to me was doing a task. I don't think so, excuse me. Black near body. Someone quit the game. Orange quit the game. Black. Okay, so black. Alright, so I'm gonna vote for the black. So maybe black is one of the two imposters. Let's see. I'm just following the bandwagon. I saw light green come out where the body was killed. The black guy saying it. Alright, so everyone is voting black. I think he's gonna go, man. He's gonna go. But the question is he an actual imposter? And we're gonna find out. Only 2 people remaining to vote. 1 remaining to vote. Who? Alright, black. Goodbye. But the thing is, I think he is the imposter. Because people are so sure. So the guy who killed most likely is a pretty clever dude. We should assume this. Oh, purple is coming near me. 94921. So I did my part. One more. Alright, I did it. Man, these people are not fixing it. Again, a dead body reported. Holy hell. Imposters are clever. One is sabotaging. Oh my god. Only one. So 3 crewmates and 2 imposters. Wow. I personally, white. Yeah, white. I don't know why, but I'm gonna. No, hold on. Let me just check on 100%. Okay, and say maybe the blue is. Alright, so I just voted for the white, and only 3 people remaining to vote. Previous time we were suspecting the black, but he turned out to be not guilty. Only 2 people remaining. I think this time, can't say for sure because we got proved wrong the previous time, but I think definitely white is the imposter. I'm telling you. The thing I'm shocked is only pretty intense game going on right now. Sans is what it is. Who remains? Only white is going away. Yes, he was. Alright, so only 1 0 remain. So 1 left the game. Oh, so I think the other imposter was orange, most likely. Oh, wow. White got trolled and we rolled. Alright, that was the proper thing to say. Once again, a crewmate, and there are 2 imposters, obviously. Let me check. A lot of people, you people tell me, look at the movements of players and blah, blah, blah. No task over here, but for... Alright, so yellow is definitely not an imposter. And what about the white? Oh, I'm already suspecting white. I think yes. Total test complete? With also so this is a calm to sabotage. Hold on. So this is a get. Whoa. No. I thought it's a dead body. How stupid can I be? Blue, light blue is most likely not an imposter. I gotta go to communications. Oh my god, orange. I didn't see a dead body yet. Oh. No. Now the tasks are there. Well, yeah, I thought, how come there are no tasks? I might be a noob. Oh my god, this dark blue guy is following me. No, he's not. Alright, so I'm gonna go back to O2 and do the test. I personally think I can only suspect white as of now. Other than that, I mean, the way he was standing over there, just, oh, light blue is over here. I gotta go to electrical now. Blue, yeah. Blue did not, oh, it's dark blue. Dark blue, definitely. Oh my god, I forgot again the area. Black is safe in the trash. I'm pretty sure it's a dark blue. If I'm not, vote red or black then. Okay, if he is not, then vote me after. Alright, it's only it's a fight going on between. Yeah, dark blue was. What was this? What was this? Oh, that was one of the most LOL moments of my entire life. I mean, wow. How did I? So what was my mistake? I just saw the blue guy around that dead body. And obviously I will think, oh! Pink and brown were the imposters. I got so mesmerized in the fight between me and that blue guy that I mean, wow, this was a pretty hectic game for me, I'm gonna say this time. My final match. Okay. I personally think dark blue is coming behind me. Wait, I think the game is decorated according to Halloween. I'm seeing these, yeah, I'm pretty sure. They updated the servers and all. Okay. Let's go. Light green already reported. Okay, so the dark blue is coming over here. No, okay, I have no clue. Vsauce left the game. It's white. Alright, I'm not. Blue killed purple. Purple was following me. So basically, he's saying blue killed purple. Vsauce is in front of me. White was standing on top of the body. Blue killed purple. So should we go for the blue or the white? Alright, so who are these people voting for? Blue or white? I was an admin swiping the card and now saw blue killed purple. Alright, so let's actually go for dark blue. Light blue was like, I'm not the one. White has not voted yet. Keep one thing in mind. He voted for the black. Oh, I think we're gonna miss it. I think white was an imposter. But was he? He was. Definitely it's the white. Only the white did not vote for the blue. And yeah, my predictions are bad. But I think maybe it's gonna be the white this time. Alright, so let's actually. Oh, I thought I got killed and I got shocked. What now? Alright, so I'm gonna go for white actually. And by the way, this dark green is saying that he killed someone in my front. Well, technically I can't say exactly, but I am gonna vote for white. I mean, this is an emergency meeting, so I'm just gonna vote for the white. Yes, white. Everyone's gonna white. Bye. Only one remains. I think. Oh my God! Everyone voted for the white except himself, obviously. We won the game. Finally, a successful game. So yeah, this is why you people told me that if I am an imposter, and I mean I should also vote for the other imposter because see, I mean everyone suspected the white also because only he was the one who did not vote for the other imposter. So thank you for your tips once again. And if y'all did enjoy this video, man, subscribe right now, turn on the bell icon, and yes, to join the journey with me. And I'm gonna see you all in the next one. Goodbye.